Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do is just show you a couple of images. So that's the article that I developed. So lots of people think that if I create an article, it's going to be vandalized by some guy who's going to go and write something over there. But actually the article turns out to be extremely stable. No one has ever touched that article. So this is the visualization done by something called History Flow. So what it says is how much of the text has actually remained untouched. And you will see that over time, in the last 2 or 3 years, nobody has actually done any vandalism to it. But there are places where there are people fighting. There's a very peculiar brand of vandalism on fauna articles currently happening in Wikipedia, which is if there is something saying fauna of India, there's an editor from Manchester who comes and says fauna of, especially if it's fauna of Kashmir, he'll go and write fauna of. He'll go and change it to Indian occupied Kashmir. Okay, so there are all these kinds of attacks that people do. And so there are articles that are also attacked by certain scientists who have trouble in their scientific establishment. So this article on a particular species of fly, you would think that nobody is going to fight over a fly. But there's an editor who is like spending his entire lifetime fighting with another editor. Sometimes, but really we have not really looked at it. We are just hoping that there are other tools that perhaps let you maybe produce a texture or description of pixel by pixel when you scroll over them. I'm absolutely, I understand what you're saying. So the alt tag is not really a substitute. For instance, what I have currently on the screen is a beautiful snail with a red body, a scarlet body. So I really can't describe its beauty in an alt tag. And the texture that it has, I can't describe it. So currently I agree that there's a lot of accessibility issues with these images. But we can take this discussion offline. Yeah. So here was a snail that I took a picture of. I didn't know what it was. 3 years it was there on Wikipedia. And then there was a snail expert on Wikipedia who said, can you please tell me what this beautiful snail that you photographed is? So then I went around, found a snail expert, and he told me what it was. And this snail expert decided to write a beautiful article about it. Now, I'm not an expert on snails, but this person knew the literature and improved it. So what I'm saying is, you just have to take pictures of insects and things around you, upload it. You don't have to know what it is. Either you or someone else will improve it. And as I said, Wikipedia is a long-term project and things will grow. So all you do is do small contributions and things will change. Okay, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Naveen Francis, and my handle is user Naveen PF. So basically I edit about Indian roads and Indian education institutions and other Indian railways like that. So first I started editing with a list of state highways in Kerala. So after that I asked a few of the mentors whether then I got an invite from the international community saying that you are invited to Wiki Project Highways. So I was deeply interested and I searched about the Wiki Project Highways. Then I felt that then there was a lot of Wiki projects depends upon the highways across the world. There was a Wiki US roads, there was China roads, there was other like UK roads. Everyone has a project. So I asked my mentors whether we can start a project for India. Then he told, go ahead, you can start a wiki project for Indian roads. Then this is how we started actually. Just started with one project. Then we need a task, what to do with a project. So first task was to get this one. Just crop down this thing to Sanded National Highway Shield. So we got very good help from other G review. He told he will make that. Then we wanted to, because if we create like this, each shield, you need to create we have about 250 highways in India. So we need each image. So we requested one of the international developer to have a good template so that you just mention the number, automatically this number changes. So he created a road marker template. His name is this guy. So this template is now used by 10 countries. It was first started with Indian national highways. Then now we use for Indian national highways, Indian expressways, all the state highways across the country. Then later we saw that we started, we are a group of editors actually. So someone from the Maharashtra told that when I went through the roads, I saw this marker placed in the road. So he saw this one and he took a photograph and he told that we need proper road marker. So we need to make it a template. So we made like exactly similar one with that reference. Then in other place also, in Madhya Pradesh also, we saw like it is a different one. So we made another one. So some of the states doesn't have a shield, formalized shield. Like for Kerala, there was no formalized shield. Then I contacted the PW department and asked for make a recognized shield so that we can publish, we can give a reference saying that it's a shield. Because then we need more, we had to do other tasks actually. So we need to know how many articles is there, currently there in the, about the roads in English Wikipedia. So there is a template, in English Wikipedia, each project have different templates we will keep. In the talk page we will keep like this article is written by Indian Road Group. So we are about 20 people in Indian roads who edits only about roads. Then we need to know, to take up the task, we need to divide the articles like how important is an article. So it is like assessment. So we decided that all the national highways and all the very big projects like NHDP, NHA, the article about NHA, article about Ministry of Roads, Highways, that will be in the top priority. We will be developing that article first. Then we decided that the highways, national highways and national expressways will be the high important articles, and the state, then the list of the state highways will be the very high important. It's very important for this project actually to develop an article for that. Then other thing was naming convention. There was Tamil Nadu was following like Tamil Nadu State Highway 01, and national highway was called National Highway 6 India, and Kerala was following like State Highway 01 Kerala. Maharashtra was following State Highway, Major State Highway, different way. So we thought of we'll come up with a standard. So at last we decided like we'll have a State Highway number followed by the same as how we have in the National Highway. Then there was another dispute. Like if, for instance, if one of the longest state highway in Kerala is like Main Central Road, so it was written like Main Central Road in the wiki article. So for any roads there were duplicate names. State Highway 1 and another name will be in the state, it will be known as a different name. So we decided like let the community decide if it is getting moved, let it move to the original name, or we'll keep as the name of the state highway. That was the next was the most important controversial thing actually, maps. We need the maps for all the state highways and all the national highways. So it was a huge task to make the maps for each state highway or each national highway. So one guy called Abhijit Sathe told he will take up this task, and he started cutting up. There was a complete image of national highway which was developed by PlaneMan. So he cropped each national highway, cropped and kept in each article. So there was like Kolkata would have written and KOL it will be cut. There was a lot of issues. The people were telling the image is not clear. Why you are putting the article like this? Then we are trying to collaborate with this one OSM to develop proper images for the state highways. That is what we are doing for. We had we are having a project. Then how to get the data? Usually, first process is to get the data from the internet. Most of the times we will get sometimes we will not get. So what we do is we just call up on the PWD department, ask whether you have any state highways, we give the data or put in the website so that we can also get the data into the Wikipedia. Then they doesn't have any data. That is sometimes they will tell there is no data with us of the state highways. Normally they just announce like you will have 1,000 crores for state highways, just like that. But there will not be any data of state highways itself. Then another, this one was like the Ministry of National Roads and Highways one day they announced that the number of the state highways, national highways is going to change. So all of a sudden, all the articles has to be changed. We don't know what to do actually. Then when we checked in the National Highway Authority of India's website, they are not changing the numbers. Even the tenders are called with the old National Highway number. So we decided let the government change first, then we will change. But we were getting the messages from the talk pages. We are ready with the article background and all, but we need the government first to change first. Then many people ask me, what is the big deal in roads actually? So when we start editing about the roads, they will ask, what is the big deal? Like, why you are editing articles about roads? So then if you see the number of articles in English Wikipedia about US roads, it is about 16,000 articles. We have about 600 articles in India. And we have number of people who edits state highways or roads in US is 1,000 people. They have about 13 projects and one main project and 13 projects in US and 2 task forces, which is very active actually. If you just you need a map from this area, they just make it in one day. When we ask for one map, we have to wait for 3 months or 4 months, maybe map will not be made only. Then even for the shield and all, they just make in just seconds actually. They have a lot of data actually. They are like so passionate about the roads actually. That's about roads. This is what you will get when you edit a road article in English Wikipedia. If you edit any article in road, we'll just go and paste in that, come to our project, so that we can develop. Usually one time they started Facebook, and the Ministry of Roads and Highways started a Facebook. So we don't have data of few of the states actually. So I asked them whether can you share the details of the state highways in the state highways of these states. Then they told you can go to Wikipedia and check that. Then okay, I told thanks. Yeah. Then the other one is about the railways. So this has been in cold storage actually. There was no activity for a long time. We have done only about changing the zones. We have the railways, say 16 or 17 railway zones. Only naming convention has been changed. But there is a lot of potential actually. Mainly the people writes about the metro rails. They are so passionate about their metro rails. If it is Bangalore people, they just write about Bangalore metro. If it is Hyderabad, it is just right about Hyderabad metro. Delhi has a separate project inside that. Delhi metro. For Delhi metro, they have each line, they have one article. One place to one. And we are trying to contact with the Indian Railways Fan Club Association actually. They have a lot of beautiful images of these trains actually. Any article about railways, we just go and paste, and we have a lot of tasks mentioned, so they can take up. Another wiki project is about the transport actually. So here what we edit is like main articles about the transportation in India. That is one of the main articles. This was went into a good article by Srikanth, SBC, YSR. His name is train from one place to another, SBC to YSR. He is there, Manish, yeah, he was here, yeah. So another one is, these 3 people made this article very beautiful. Like we have all the statistics about that article, number of how much kilometer Indian roads is, how much kilometer is national, other things, airports. Other thing is about, in this project what we are doing is about the airports in India. We write about all the airports like Bangalore airport. This guy is also one of the member of we don't write much about our ports actually. We don't know much about our ports. But one of the major area is that actually. Then national waterways, before this project, when I didn't knew there is something called national waterways. Then I just stumbled upon and just so that we have 6 national waterways. Then one guy from Tamil Nadu started writing about this. This is very good article now. Then we write about the transport departments like KSRTC, SCTC, Karnataka RTC, like Wiki Project Education India. So here there is one article, top 10 engineering colleges in India. So everyone comes and read it like, my college is in the top 10. My college is in top 10. So, and these people decide, the people who reads that article comes, then think that this is in the top 10 and join that college. So, we are making it in top 10. So, we need to pull out the people who, there's some private university who just promoting them, just put it in the top 10 colleges. So, we need to pull out that data. So, we have to watch that list every day. Another thing is, we started with this first article was, we started with one good article, then we started with a list of universities. So earlier there were a lot of universities and there was no structure in that article actually. Then we edited that article, everyone took one state, then we told that we will edit about this one. Each article, we'll take up one state and we'll find out which are the universities, which is a deemed university, which is a state university, which is a central university, and when it is first found and all the things. And we'll link to that university. So that in one article, then one article itself, we can take that one. So we took out the first thing, and then we found that IIM is not a university. Then we had to pull out. Then a lot of things were like, few of the things was not recognized by the new IITs were not recognized by UGC. It is like under discussion. So we had to pull out a lot of universities from itself. Then it was a lot of effort, that article. So this is about the, then we finished actually. We found that we have about 606 universities across India. Then we discussed next task we need to find. So we thought we'll take up one state, each state we'll have, and we'll write about the number of colleges, which type of college, like engineering colleges, list of the engineering colleges in this university, list of engineering medical colleges in one university. That is what we do in this project actually. And there was a few guys, like IIM Lucknow, the article length was this much. One day, someone from outside, someone came and like, he told like there is no references, he made it like this. And it was written like this was, we are in the top 10, top 20, top 20. The other thing we are discussing is about school notability. We are about discussing why should a school should be in the Wikipedia. It should be some criteria to have a notable school. Either it should have completed 50 years or either it should have good alumni from that or something like that. So, but this proposal was made, but we are actually discussing on that. We'll come up with something and we'll delete the articles or that one. No, right now we don't have for English. No, they had one, but it was failed actually. That proposal was pulled out.
Yeah, that is one. Second thing, it's like the South African national team of 1992 World Cup, wherein he suddenly says that you have to score 22 runs from one ball. I was allowed 75 minutes of the session. I have around minus 10 minutes of that left. So, what do you suggest? So normally the reward for any quiz is the ego boost that you're getting from answering the questions. Okay. See, okay, I'll skip this for the. Okay, so I'll skip the initial few slides. So just the ground rule over here is that if you don't know the answer for the question, you can just shout the obvious thing. Obviously, yes. So I'll not, since you are waving a lot, I'll not